Hi everyone, my name is Angad Sharma and I am a third year student in VIT University, Vellore. I am a part of the Developer Student Club's VIT and I am also the Vice President Technical of CodeChef VIT. So I've interned at 4 companies. First was Grino Influencer Marketing as a Node.js developer, FindMind Analytics as a Node.js developer, Fellow App as a Node.js developer, and then finally Atlan as a Go developer. So I have over 6 months of experience with the Go programming language, and this course will serve as an overview of the same. So if you want to reach me, you can reach me at LinkedIn, Instagram, or just regular old email. So my hobbies include DevOps, backend development, and regular old data analytics. So see you guys in the course. Stay tuned.